Welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale. Today we are going to unbox the new Apple TV 4K. Hi, I'm Kwasi. Welcome to my tech space. Alrighty, okay, so here it is, the Apple TV 4K, the new Apple TV 4K. So this is the second generation. All right, so before we open this box, let's let's just have a look at what is here. Okay, so the ultimate cinematic experience, enjoy stunning 4K picture quality and Immerse Dolby Atmos sound. So this one here only supports the Dolby Atmos, doesn't support DTX. Apple TV, Netflix, YouTube, Apple Music, Amazon Prime, and 1,000 other streaming platform. It supports all of those ones, so there's no problem there. AirPlay, yeah, so no problem over there. AirPort, yeah, you can stream audio to your AirPort directly. There's no problem there. That's Apple ecosystem. Okay, so this one here is the 4K HDR. The 32 gig model that I got. I wasn't able to get the 64 gig because supply at the moment is very scarce. That's the issue. So the ETA on the 64 gig was completely unknown. So I'm like, hey, yeah, I was able to get my hands on the 32 gig model, which is more than enough for what I'm going to use this for. All right, let's not waste time. Let us open this box. Okay, see, where's my unboxing knife? Where's my unboxing knife? Give me my unboxing knife. Okay, alrighty. Bam, here it is. All right, thank you. Thanks, C, appreciate that. Okay, all right, so let's cut this box open. See what is in here. Okay, right, let's get this out of the way, out of the shot, get out of the way. Okay, let's pop this box open. So beautiful. Okay, so put that on the side. Okay, so what we have here in the box is, the Apple TV. Okay, on the side. The new Apple, this is the new remote. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Here is the power, standard power cord. Okay, and what do we have here? This is okay, your Apple sticker. Okay, the Apple sticker, and the manual here. And then and this one is a Lightning USB, and yeah. That's what we have here in the box. Okay, so yeah, this is the power, out of the shot. Okay, you know what? Put this one here. Okay. Let's have a look at this manual here. Okay, it's just your standard manual. Yeah, it's your standard manual. Okay. Not so much here. I'm just showing the setup process. So not so much here. Yeah, get that out of the way, out of the shot. Okay, and then okay, so here's the remote. Okay, so and then the lighting. All right, so let's start with the box itself, right? Okay, it is this is not matte, this is glossy, right? This is super glossy, and as you can see, this is fingerprint magnet, fingerprint magnet. But hey, this one you're just gonna plug it and then leave it. That's what it is. You're just gonna plug it and then leave it. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's take this cover out. Alrighty. Okay. So what we have here, your power, yeah, this is your power, but this is, wow, this is the power, right? The power cable. So that means that it doesn't come with a power brick, so it is just built into it. This is great, Apple, this is amazing. Okay, all right. your HDMI, and also and then your Ethernet. This one here is a gigabit Ethernet. Yeah, you know, and then okay, let's take this out. Let's take it out of the way. And what we have here, designed by Apple in California. Okay, so this is the air vent, right? You know, this is the air vent around it, right here. Okay, and yeah, there's not much really. Just your power, your HDMI, and your Ethernet. Power, HDMI, Ethernet. Beautiful box. Okay, so let's got the remote. This is the new remote. So this one is your Lightning charger, just like your iPhone. Yeah, just like that. And what kind of this is? Aluminum. Yeah, thanks. See, yeah, aluminum. Yeah, so this is aluminum. It has a Siri button, a dedicated button here for Siri, and then this is your volume rocker. So you know, volume up, volume down, play, stop. You know, mute, on mute, and you know, yeah. This here, this is your power button here. You know, and this is your touch scroll wheel, just like the iPod. You know, remember when the iPod came? You know, the iPod had that. You know, that's the same. And here, yeah, this is plastic. You know, and this is aluminum. And yeah, the Apple logo right here. It's just a very simple remote. This is beautiful. You know, yeah, aluminum. You know, and then your lightning cable. Yeah, it doesn't come with an HDMI cable, so what you have to make sure is that when you're buying this, you buy an HDMI cable. But don't forget to pick one of these one here. I got this one when I was getting this one here. So it's your HDMI. Make sure that you get your HDMI. Yeah, you know, because it doesn't come with one. Yeah, so this is just a quick unbox to show you what is inside the box. You know, this is what is in the box: the Apple TV, the remote, the lightning cable, and then the power. You know, so what I'm going to do is that I am going to spend some time with it. You know, set it up and then do a comparison between the Apple TV on the box, the standalone box, and also what comes into your built into your smart TV. Right, so if it is worth it for you to, you know, spend, you know, your hard-earned money to buy a standalone box, or just rock with what is already, you know, comes inbuilt with your smart TV. So yeah, watch this space for the review. This is the unboxing. The review coming pretty much soon. So watch this space. Thanks a lot for joining me today on Gear Up Chale, and I'll see you in the next video.